El medio ambiente influye significativamente en nuestras vidas. Con actividades simples podemos lograr que los estudiantes tomen conciencia sobre las claves de su cuidado, reducir, reutilizar y reciclar. La enseñanza ambiental forma parte de los objetivos transversales de la educación. A través de sus conocimientos y experiencias se puede aprender desde palabras nuevas hasta desarrollar la capacidad de relación. Esto se da, por ejemplo, cuando el estudiante ve que siembra una semilla de la que sale una planta y después crece una fruta o un árbol. Estos aprendizajes pueden ser realizados en terreno o al aire libre, tanto dentro de casa, y son muy adecuados para los menores porque son experiencias prácticas y les permiten estar en movimiento. Remover la tierra con un rastrillo para plantar o clasificar su propia basura o desecho, y por ello son generalmente actividades más atractivas que el estar sentado. Mi actividad que voy a enseñar hoy es estructurada. El estudiante es de primer grado. Marcus, today we're going to learn about reducing, reusing, and recycling everything that we have. Reducing means, do you know what reducing means?
No.
Reducing means where we don't use as much things as we usually love just to clean something. Maybe you want to get a small piece and use that so you don't use so much. Reuse, there's some things like clothes. If it doesn't fit you, you don't want to throw it away. You want to maybe give it to a friend or take it to, I don't know, one of those clothes to help other shelters. And maybe they can use it, and if they can't use it, someone else will use it. And then that's how you're reusing. And recycling is basically what we're going to talk about, and that's just making sure that you organize everything and separate things like they're supposed to. So like you can separate glass, because people, after they throw glass away, there's places that melt the glass and make, like, I don't know, lamps or something very beautiful out of it. Plastic, cans, aluminum cans, they'll melt that out and make something else out of it. And paper and cardboard, same thing. We can reuse paper. Did you know that? And recycle our paper. So I'm going to read you a story. And it's called Things I Can Do to Help My World. I remember to turn off the light when I leave the room. Turning off the lights and using more efficient light bulbs saves you valuable energy. Did you know that? And I try to, what do you think it's going to say? To turn off the water, to turn off the tap when I brush my teeth. Every time you do this, did you know that you were saving about 18 glasses of water? Every time. Can you believe that? And I always throw the trash away where it belongs. I'm guessing that's what it's going to say. I was right. Throw away the trash, because putting garbage away keeps the world cleaner. You don't want to walk through a park full of garbage, do you?
No.
No. And I will feed the birds in the winter. Feeding the birds helps them get ready. So Marcus, did you like this book? It had lots of information. 10 tips. What 2 things do you remember? They're very important.
When you walk to school and you don't need to waste gas by driving cars.
That's right. What else?
And recycling.
Recycling, exactly, because you know that more than half of our garbage, we can actually recycle that and save it, and it takes much less energy of us just recycling it and putting it where it belongs and put it in categories and sorting out than to replace something old for something new. It's cheaper. Okay, so now that we're talking about recycling, let me show you a little game that has to do with classifying. Classifying means when you put things by groups, and these groups belong together. Okay? So, for example, what picture do you see here?
A can.
A can. And right here it says aluminum. And right here is a picture of cans. So, I would look through my things. If this were real trash, I would look through my trash and I would say, okay, oh, here's a can. My can belongs here. Cardboard. Oh, let me go through my trash. Here's cardboard, and it belongs here. And if you have any questions, you can read these signs, because they also have pictures and everything that you need to help you. So, can you go ahead and start by sorting these out first, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. So right now we're recycling. What is that? The compost, when you put everything together, all your leftovers, fruits, vegetables, leaves, and dirt, and you mix it, and you let it sit for days, it starts turning into this sort of a powdery thing into the dirt. And these leaves break down, they no longer look like leaves, they actually turn into more dirt, more soil. Worms come in, and they start coming to eat it, and they actually help that dirt become very, very nutritious to our plants. They have all the vitamins and everything that we need. So then we use that same soil, and we can put it in our plant beds to plant new flowers, to plant new gardens. So it's really nice to keep all your leftovers outside though, and that makes a compost. So you can't even throw that away. That also helps. Can you believe that? Okay, start sorting right here. What is that?
Paper.
Paper. Awesome. What is that you have? Yes, very good. Part of a tree. Newspaper.
Paper.
Look at it. Look at it. What is it? What does this belong to? What picture is that?
Paper roll.
Paper roll. After it's all the paper's all gone. So what is that considered? It's not paper anymore, right?
No. Right.
Look at the pictures. If you need to.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. Cardboard. Good. Okay, I think we pretty much had enough right here. You're doing really good. Let's go ahead and stop doing this right here. And you want to check what we've got so far?
Yeah.
Okay, what did we say this was? Look at the word.
Cans.
Cans. Okay, so this says aluminum cans. Look at the pictures. Let's see if you have any of these. Do you have that? Is that there?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Tomato soup. That's how you can check your answer. Good. So that's right. Let's look at our cardboard and see what you have in here. And you have...
a paper roll.
There you go. Paper roll. That one's right. Let's see what you have in here. And this is your glass recycling bin. And you said this is a what?
Glass.
A glass jar. There it is, your spaghetti jar. Awesome. Let's check out our, what? Which bin is this?
Paper.
Paper bin. So let's see what you have here. A newspaper and
a letter.
A letter envelope. Is that here? Awesome.
Yes.
So you did great on that one also. Good sorting, good classifying. And we have
Compost.
Compost. Give me a high five. You got the word. Compost. And we can do this game, but it's also fun to do it in real life. So maybe we should practice doing the sorting with our stuff. The real trash that we have. Sorting out our things would make a big difference in our world. What do you think?
That way.
Okay. Okay, Marcus, so now that we've played our game, it is your turn to do this in real life with your own trash, with our stuff here at home. So, can you tell me what this container here is for?
It is for cans.
And the next one?
Paper.
And the next one?
Plastic.
And the next one?
Compost.
Awesome. And there's one more left. Which one is?
Glass.
Glass. Okay, you can start and start sorting. Help us here, because tomorrow's trash day. Good.